Take a ride in the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, power brakes, compass, clock. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.